Tp4056 charging module. N4007 diode. Diode positive side connecting with module input negative side. Diode negative side connecting with module IC first pin you see in video. Battery holder. Battery holder positive wire connecting with module output positive side. Battery holder negative wire connecting with module output negative side. LED 4 volt. LED positive wire connecting with module output positive side. LED negative wire connecting with module output negative side. USB charging cable. Cable positive wire connecting with module input positive side. Cable negative wire connecting diode negative side. Lithium battery cell. "5-volt mobile charger. Now when charging start, LED is off. When charging off, LED is bright. So there is dual benefits of this circuit. You can easily say that there is chargeable emergency light.